Let's say Pythagoras theorem. This theorem is very important in trigonometry, or trigonometry is related to Pythagoras theorem. So it says that in a right angle triangle, suppose we have right angle triangle in this theorem. Okay. So that means this is 90 degree. Any one angle is 90 degree. So which is called right angle triangle. So this height is called perpendicular. Down one is base. This is hypotenuse. Okay. Then according to this theorem, sum of the square of perpendicular, p square means square of perpendicular, this height, okay, and the square of base, then this sum, or when you add square of perpendicular and base, this will be always equal to square of hypotenuse. Clear? Or it means now if you know the square of perpendicular and base, you can find the square of hypotenuse. For example, okay, so if this is perpendicular is 1 meter, okay, and base is 2 meter long, this is 1 meter long height and base is 2 meter long, then you can find this length of hypotenuse, okay, using this formula. So how do you use this? Now square of p square, square of p means what? Square of 1 meter, square of 1 meter, and square of b means what? Square of 2 meter, base is 2 meter. Okay. Now when you solve it, you will get now square of 1 is what? 1. Square of m is m square. Okay, and square of 2 meter means square of 2 is 4. Square of m is m square. Okay. Now add this will be 1 meter square plus 4 meter square. So 1 plus 4 will be 5 meter square. Okay, or this will be equal to, or when you use the bracket, this will be root 5 m outside will be square. Okay, or in the opposite side, if there is a square of root 5, then will be 5. Square of m means m square. Clear? Or it means now within the bracket, what is this? This is actually 8. Okay. Therefore, if height is 1 meter and base is 2 meter, then hypotenuse will be root 5 m meter. Okay, so in this way you can find any length. If you know the perpendicular and base, you can find the hypotenuse. Or if you know any two values, suppose b and h, you can find the value of p. Or if you know the value p and h, you can find the value of b. If this is right angle triangle, then you have to use this formula from Pythagoras theorem. Always remember, this formula is very important. Sum of square of perpendicular and base, this is always equal to square of hypotenuse in a right angle triangle. This is Pythagoras theorem, very useful in your trigonometry.